What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy, and in today's video, we're talking all about finding your home decor style. I know it can be confusing, but I think I have a few tips to really help you stop wasting your money, and finding your long-term style, things that you're gonna love forever, things that you're gonna cherish, you're gonna be more intentional, you're gonna be more purposeful, and you're gonna save money in the long run. So, if you like saving money, give this video a thumbs up. If you like home decor videos, give this video a thumbs up. If you like any of these kinds of videos, give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go follow me on Instagram at Brandy with a Y, J Jackson for more fashion, curvy fashion, lifestyle cocktails, and home decor behind the scenes. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so before you even get started, especially if you are in a place where you are wanting to invest in pieces and have more long-term pieces, be more intentional, kind of start collecting home decor, is find your inspiration. So I used to coach photographers, and when I would coach them to find their photography style, I would tell them to find inspiration. Now, what's funny about that is my inspiration as a wedding photographer is home decor. I love to go into restoration hardware and really kind of look at the different ways they piece different materials together, and that's how I would design styled shoots, things like that. But when it comes to home decor, my inspiration is actually old buildings, and not just the outside of the building, but old buildings in like the whole building. So one of my greatest inspirations was obviously when I was in Paris. That's like a no-brainer. That's amazing. That gives me so much inspiration. But even in Boston or on the East Coast, just to even see, even just if you look on the outside of the building, it has so much detail and it has modern lines, but also has like beautiful like scroll details. But then when you go inside, there's marble and different tiles and textures and hardware. So that just really inspires me. And then from there, once you can find inspiration, if you can find it outside of Pinterest or magazines. So once you can find your inspiration outside of Pinterest, outside of magazines, outside of other designers, once you kind of know your core inspiration, I feel like it's really important to do that, because once you can find out who you are, you can really start embracing your home decor style, embracing who you are, and really sharing that through your home decor without looking to any other designers or anyone, which I think is seriously the most unique way to do it, but also the way that you can set yourself apart from others. And that's kind of what I choose to do for my own home decor. Now, I do love restoration hardware. I do love all those stores. But deep down, I look outside of any of that for my inspiration and where I try to go with my decor. And then from there, I would say hop on Pinterest, look through magazines, other designers, and really kind of notice your behaviors, or kind of notice like what you're pinning again and again and again, or what you're attracted to again and again. And that's really gonna help you find your color palettes, your textures, your tones, all of that. So I hope that that makes sense. Basically, what you want to do is find your inspiration outside of home decor. Once you can do that, then start turning to home decor and how can you bring your inspiration to life? How can you make your home unique to yourself, unique and different from anyone else, and make it stand out and make you so happy? From there, you can start collecting your home decor for years and years and years, and you know that it's pure to you. You're not gonna get sick of it because of the way you found your inspiration. My second decor style tip is, or how to find your style, is to take yourself out of any sort of box. I said this in another video in my how to make your home decor look more expensive. don't put yourself into a box. My husband said this one time, that whenever people ask him what music he likes, or, you know, what kind of music he likes, he always says, I don't like a certain kind of music. I like songs. He doesn't like to put himself in a box. And that really resonated with me, because although I say that my home decor style is vintage, modern, with a touch of tropical and a European influence, that's just the best way that I can explain it to you guys, or to anyone who wants to know my decor style. But truly, if I love a piece, I don't care what category it belongs to. So for me, I always say, shop everywhere. Go to Target, go to Home Goods, go to Restoration Hardware, go to West Elm, go to Pottery Barn, go to literally every home decor store and buy stuff from all different pieces. If you missed my bar shelf styling video, I have, my bar set is from like everywhere. I have pieces from Target, from Home Goods, from Crate and Barrel, from literally everywhere, from CB2, because I might like this piece and this piece from Crate and Barrel, but I like this and this and this from Target. So for me, don't just go to Target and buy everything from, you know, a line that just launched or any of that. I think the best thing to do is buy the pieces that make you so, so happy, and then complete it with other stores. So shop everywhere. Don't put yourself in a box. Buy what you love. The other thing that I want to mention is that it's okay to like a lot of different styles. I feel like so many people feel like they have to put this title on their style, or they have to be like, oh, I'm boho, or I'm traditional, or I'm this, or I'm that. Just buy what you like, and you'll be able to blend it together and mix it together. It's all about balance. So the best way that I can describe this is like with a bookshelf. So say you love modern, vintage, textured, boho. As long as you're kind of putting it all throughout, and the best way you can do that is really sticking with a color palette is really gonna help you. Say you have navy blue, kind of sprinkling that navy blue throughout the bookshelf is going to be such a game changer for you. Not only color, but texture. So say you have glass over here, but glass over here, and glass over here. Say you have coffee table books. Put some here, put some over here, put some here. Just kind of balance it out, also with like depth. So say you have black. You wanna put black here, put some black over here and over here, and it's really gonna balance it out. But you're gonna wanna make sure you sprinkle all those different styles that you like, so that there's a lot of balance and mixture. So my next tip is to work in zones. And I think that this is one of the best and easiest ways to get started, because you're shopping for that zone specifically. You can complete it, you can fall in love with it, you can learn from it. Instead of buying all throughout your house, you work on one space, one area. Once you have that completed, you kind of have learned a lot from that particular space and zone that you're working in. And then you can go to your next zone and your next zone. So maybe start with a bathroom, or start with like your bedside table, or start with just working on your kitchen island or your table. Say you want to have a full setting on your table, and working in a zone is really going to allow you to learn your style more, to learn from what you like and what you don't like, and kind of get to know your design style more. And it also really can be really inspirational. Say you love an area that you did, replicate that. Be cohesive in your home if that works for you. So my next tip is to tell a story with your decor. And this one is just like a little bit more, as you guys know, I like to say that I'm woo-woo, or that I just am an emotional person. If you ever go look at my wedding photography, I am all about emotion. So I mentioned this again in my How to Make Your Home Look More Expensive video. And some of you guys left some comments, which was really cool because it's things that I forgot to mention. And I want to include those in this portion of the video. My favorite thing is walking into my home or other people's homes and being able to see their life adventures through their home decor. Where have they traveled? What do they love? What scent do they love? All of that. Tell a story. Do you want it cozy? Do you want it to feel more cold and modern? Tell your story through your home decor. And I think that is so freaking cool. I love it. One of you mentioned scent, and I think that scent is such a beautiful way to complete your decor. I think having a scent that people walk into your home. A lot of you guys have asked what my favorite Jo Malone candle is because I have Jo Malone's sprinkled all throughout my house whenever I accomplish something or book an exciting wedding, or I've had lots of clients send me Jo Malone's and other candles. My favorite is Peony Blush Suede. So a lot of the times when you come to my house, I'm going to burn my Jo Malone's because I'm having you over. I want you to smell that scent when you come to my house so that you can remember it. Now, if you are a family member of ours, everyone thinks our home smells like Gain because we use Gain, and I think it's just like in our bedding and in our, all throughout our house. So we kind of have multiple scents, but I think having a scent to really complete the story of your home. I love luxury type feeling. I just love it. I just like lived in with a touch of luxury, and my Jo Malone is the best way that I can afford it. So I really like to fill my home with that scent, especially when I have guests over. Also with building that story is to be intentional. Once you really learn your home decor style, you will stop wasting so much money on home decor. It is crazy because now you know what you love. You know what you're not gonna like in 6 months, 3 years, 10 years. You can be so much more intentional on your purchases, and you know that you love them and you adore them. Zach and I spent some time in the French countryside in France, and we stayed in this house, and I was so absolutely smitten with like the primitive wood and the French country decor and just the whole vibe. So I've been really into primitive wood, and I know that I will always have a use for that. I know it will always be in style. I can use it to warm up modern. I can use it so much. I don't think it will ever go out of style. And for me, one of the things that I like to invest my money on is vintage pieces or antique pieces. Once you are a bit more intentional and you know your style and you know the vibe that you're going for and you know the emotion and the feeling that you want people to feel when they come into your home, then you can start collecting home decor. And that is one of my favorite things because I feel like collecting home decor is really cool. Yes, you're gonna spend a little bit more money, but in the long run, it's probably gonna save you a lot. Say you went to Target and you bought the whole Hearth and Hand line, and 6 months down the road, she comes out with something else and you love that, so you buy that again. And then Studio McGee launches hers and you buy all of that. And then whoever else puts theirs in that, you're gonna constantly be in that cycle. But when you can start collecting your home decor, when you really know who you are and what you love and you know it's not gonna go out of style, you don't have to go spend hundreds on each line that drops. And that's, to me, such a cool thing because whenever Zach and I go on trips, I love to pick up a piece in whatever country or state that we're in and collect little by little, dollar by dollar, our home decor, our story, who we are, what we love. And even then, when I'm in other countries, I really try to find pieces that really inspire me. I love to walk into my home and feel inspired. So that's just my approach. That's what I do. My last tip today is make a wish list. Now that you know your vibe, now that you know who you are and what you love, now that you know what story you want to tell when people come in and how you want to inspire them or yourself, Now you can make a wish list. And this is what is so fun, because wish lists, you can always add to them. And for me, because I collect vintage pieces, it might take me 5-10 years to find something on my wish list. So for me, it's like it's always a hunt. I'm always looking. I'm never done. I'm never complete. For me, the decor hunt is just a part of all the fun. So those are my tips, you guys. I hope that this video was able to help you a little bit when trying to find your decor style and kind of where to go from there. Decor can be overwhelming. I think some people can feel very frustrated. If you've missed some of my videos in the past, this is just another one to help you kind of complete and help you shop and help you kind of find yourself in your home decor and how you want your home to look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in a couple days with my next one. Bye guys.